fuck. Game on. Hit.
Are they right there?
Yeah, count to 30, bro. Look at them. Fuck it. What about the D-bag rule being able to get out?
Yeah. 4, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Back in.
Where are they?
They're like right here, right here.
I love these.
Get him down. Get him down and I'll make a runner. Stay there. You have to stay there. Count to 120 unless someone grabs you.
So what I want you to do is to put some cover
He's out.
You're back in. Okay. What's the plan?
Don't see. Oh, they're in the house right there. Middle building. There's a guy right on our left.
Right over to your right.
Right over to your right?
Ahead about, yeah. There's a fella directly in front of me. He's behind the tin.
In that middle building right in front of us is one.
Yeah.
There's a guy in the middle building over here.
There's a guy directly in front of me as well. He's behind the tin.
Everyone's hit over there.
I think he's there.
Hey? Go, 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 go. Where are you looking that way? Where are you looking that way?
Yeah, there's one guy. Me. So he's in the building. The other guy's moved back to a deeper position. You hit? Yeah.
Oh, yep, I see where you are, motherfucker. Whew.
Take it. Hit. We've got cover. You got cover. So what we're going to do is we've got to cover each other.
Yeah.
At the moment, all we're
I don't think I can push this fellow over here.
He's moving. Woo! Ha ha ha! Alright, he's out. The guy straight down the fence is out. Holy fucking pistol. Where did you get shot from?
In this building.
Oh yeah, yeah, someone's still in there.
Where is he?
Straight. You see him? Oh, hit.
Hit him. Did you get him?
Yeah.
In the
One in
building?
over here. Would you get did me canto?
You can call Hat. There. Come back.
Gun hit.
Really straight up there.
I fucking didn't want to put you in because of the irons. Yeah. Good. I was just engaged directly.
Ethan! Straight down there.
About 30 metres at 12 o'clock. We got one here, 12 o'clock from us, 30 metres. What was that? Hit! On the left, far left in the green building, hard left.
I don't think you can shoot that far. He's right there behind.
See, I can see him shooting me.
Ah, hit!
There's one right in the far corner. Yeah, there's one got me.
Ooh, fuck.
What's this thing?
Behind that wood building right there, with that ply sticking against the other ply.
Oh, he's in the doorway.
Yeah, in the doorway. Make it run it, make it run it, make it run it, make it. There's a guy basically our right to the little village in the middle on this side. He might have been shot. And there's a guy probably a good 50 metres straight ahead of us, so he's not too much of a issue. And also a guy by that sign. Behind that sign in the middle.
Yeah.
By the green barrel.
Yeah.
Anyone else by us? If you don't see anyone, I might try and move up. Oh, you hit? Fuck.
Okay, in.
Where did you see him?
Middle.
No.
Peeking through a window.
Is that guy that was just our team right here still alive?
No, I don't think so. I don't know.
Oh no, he is. He's still alive. He's just right there. He's on our team. So, can't be too many people just up there. Unless he's hiding. Yeah, I got your back.
On our left.
On our left?
Yeah,
Oh yeah, I see him. Right there, behind the green tin. Oh no. I think he's been hit. I think he's down. Oh yeah, straight up there. Alright, he's poked back in. I'm going to sneak up.
how's it looking?
Not too bad. The guy just walked. Can you see that blue barrel just there?
Yep.
A guy just walked that way past it. So I believe there's
Cover's right in front of us.
I believe there's two right there. Just not this cover, but the one behind it. I was going to try to sneak up to that cover, but I don't know who's in these buildings over here.
Look at that middle lower section there. Just pushing down through there, I'm going to run to the right. Oh.
You good over there? Do you need a medic? You alright, cuz? try, if you want to try run past, straight that way, and I'll duck down and shoot him as you run. Otherwise, I don't know what else to try.
Okay, I'm gonna take the other side of this thing.
Hey?
I'm gonna try to scout it to the other side.
Yeah.
Damn it, he was taking me through the house.
He's fucking quick. He's going back now. Really? Maybe not run up on him. I'm gonna try to go out and around.
Yeah, definitely pull back. Blow.
He's still right there. He's not aiming now. He's aiming. Oh no, he's good, he's not aiming. Oh, he's in the middle. He's still in that building. There's a guy right down in the far corner behind the apple bins as well. Yeah, he's aiming, be careful. Go now, if you got a shot, take it.
Oh! I don't know if he's right in there.
He's still in there, There's a guy like right here. Oh, hey. Yo, he's right there, like 2 meters. 2 meters. Yeah. Straight behind that pin as well. The next building in front of us.
Yeah.
Out of bullets.
There's a guy on the right here, on the far right, and then someone just straight ahead.
Yeah. ducking. Been so close to the cunt. Watch out, he's aiming this way. I don't know if you can see the corner there. He's going to come through that window. He's going to come through the window.
That's too casual. I was just walking doing this. It's too casual.
There's a guy straight up there though.
Yeah.
Oh,
We need to ambush him.
yeah.
Wait, when we get that guy out straight down there, I reckon one of us go this way, one of us go this way.
Yeah. We've already got a guy there. Covering.
Did you get him?
Yep.
Nice. Fuck you. On that one. Have we any more?
I'm trying to look.
Maybe there was only one guy. Maybe the other guy is gone in there.
No, there's another guy. Those water canisters.
Oh, yeah.
There's a guy right there. Those waters.
The three?
Yeah, the three on top. Well, the one on top, the two of them, yeah. The
Yeah,
three.
yeah, yeah.
There's a guy peeking.
So you're sure there's no one left in this building just right here?
Yeah, I'm not sure, but
Oh,
I know
okay.
that I can directly see that guy moving.
Yeah.
Behind the water canisters.
Because the guy that came out of there wasn't the guy I was shooting at.
See, this guy on this side, on this building right here.
Yeah.
I got him.
Oh, yeah.
These
Down by the
three-
water?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
those three water things.
Where the furthest one's back?
Like back this way?
Yeah.
Oh.
You can be more than welcome to go push.
Yeah. Do you reckon we should get to this building? Bit annoying, but it gets the job done.
Yeah, pretty much it.
Hey?
He's the one over here. Well, shoot, right. Okay.
I didn't even see where your bullets went. Because you're empty?
Directly in front
Through
of
there.
us with a little bit of blue.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Right,
want-
I'm doing it. What? I'm wasting ammo.
Oh, yep. There's another guy straight to on the right side of these. Oh, Jesus. Get out of the fucking, get into cover, man. Get into fucking cover. This gun doesn't reach the distances, that's all. He's lying down behind those water drums.
Oh, there's another guy behind him.
How long?
Guy straight up.
Yep.
Last two on me. We're pushing them back. We need to keep moving up. You've got me covered, mate. Ethan! Yeah.
What are you doing?
I'm deep.
I'll come get you. Are you good?